Welcome back, students. Today we are going to perform an activity to test the solubility of some solids and liquids in water. An important property of water is its ability to dissolve many substances in it. Most of the solids, liquids and gases dissolve in water. Substances which dissolve in water are called soluble substances, and this property is called solubility. Whereas substances which do not dissolve in water are said to be insoluble. For example, common salt, sugar, glucose and vinegar are soluble in water, whereas sand, chalk powder, oil and wax are insoluble in water. First we will test solubility of solids in water. Some solid substances dissolve in water, whereas some do not. You can understand this by an activity. Take 4 different jars filled with water and 4 different solid substances of your choice to check their solubility. Here I have taken salt, sugar, flour and chalk. Now add a small amount of common salt, sugar, flour and chalk powder respectively into these jars. Stir the contents and wait for a few minutes. Observe what happens to these substances in water. You will notice that common salt and sugar are completely dissolved in water, whereas flour and chalk powder remain insoluble. This experiment shows that some solid substances are soluble in water, whereas some do not. Now, we will perform an activity to test the solubility of liquids in water. Now, take 2 containers containing some water as shown in the picture. Add a few drops of lemon juice to the first container and some milk to the second container. Stir the solutions and wait for 5 minutes. What do you observe? You will find that lemon juice and milk are completely mixed with water. So the liquids which get mixed with water completely are called miscible liquids. However, some liquids such as kerosene, edible oil do not dissolve in water. Now take 4 beakers, among which 2 beakers containing water and other 2 containing oil and kerosene. Now add edible oil to the beaker containing water. Similarly, add kerosene to the other beaker containing water. Stir the solutions and wait for 5 minutes. You will see a layer of oil floating over the water in one beaker, and in another beaker a layer of kerosene floating over the water. So oil and kerosene are insoluble liquids in water. Liquids which do not get mixed with water and form a separate layer on keeping for some time